guys, and today we're gonna be exploring the forbidden lands of the construction zone. And it's right behind us too, which is very convenient.
We might be cooked.
This time we brought subscribers with us. And the challenge today is we have to find the most interesting things. I mean, very interesting things. Now it's time to introduce the fans.
Yeah.
And once we hit 300 subscribers, we will do a very special video. And we're probably maybe gonna make a post about a 300 subscriber vid. Subscribe and stay tuned. And let's start our expedition in the forbidden lands of the scariest construction scary zone.
Sharks. Look at this.
Look at this. These are real cars, which have glowing rocket ships. No, bro, that doesn't fit. Bro, let's go.
I already lost my overview.
Oh, they don't fit. They only fit on like circles.
Guys, look out! Guys, look, I have a weapon. Guys, watch this. Watch this one. Yo, we're trained professionals. Let's go this way.
Bro,
Let's go.
oh my god.
And also we have one of our fan subscribers just running over here. Look what I just found, guys. Oh no.
This is good. It's so
Wait,
weird.
Bridget, can I see that?
Kind of like, I don't know, kinetic sand, but it's not kinetic.
Well, how are we gonna cross without getting our shoes on right? Yeah,
No, there's an industrial vehicle.
Guys, another perfect spot. Yeah, but it's so windy. Wait, where are we
Guys,
going?
let's do the opposite.
Yeah, let's do the other. It already left a dent. Hooray! Bro! Yeah! No. Oh yeah! I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. Take it. And then we can go forward every single time. Oh my god! You're doing it! Yeah! We're making an infinite way! And also, over there we have one of our subscribers as well, Atlas. Atlas, W Atlas, he's such a kind guy. And he's also my classmate. Yeah, and also Oliver is, and Andrew.
Guys, want to see something satisfying? Look at the river real quick. Guys, it's so satisfying, right? This is so hard.
Yo, can I show y'all something? Look at my slipper.
Don't put your foot in the water.
No. Yo, I actually pulled it. I can walk across.
We're comfortable,
Guys, I can barely move it. Look at my foot. Bro, my feet are so wet.
I'm this is so heavy. I'm running.
I'm running. Yo, can I use that thing to like remove the mud? Yeah, sure. Oh my god.
How am I gonna do this?
I don't know. Yo.
I'm doing it.
Why would you do that, RA, with slippers? And it's so...
Bro, my slippers. Bro, check out mine, bro. Check out who? Check out mine. Check out mine, bro. I'm actually top. Check out my shoes. Yo, we got little
Guys, Sean is coming back.
guys. This is we got big sticks.
We got some puddles too.
Yo, you're gonna be slaughtered. Hey, don't
After this video, we're going to our friend's house to clean our shoes. Don't worry, our shoes are not cooked.
Okay, so bro was trying to be smart right now. He was saying that we should go on top of that hill. And look at his shoes. What does bro think? He said, we don't know if it's muddy or not. Is it muddy? Oh my days, look at your shoes.
What the hell?
Bruh, that's muddy as heck. I'm not going up there.
something real quick. Hi. Wait, guys, we need to go back. Guys, go back. Wait. The pylon is in the. No, we just made it work. We don't need. Guys, actually. Okay, I'm gonna dip it in water. I'm like, by myself. I'm coming with you, alright? Now take that pylon and give it to me. Bro, I just made it work. Stop sabotaging. Okay, let me just real pylon. Bro, alright, I can't risk my shoes again. You're not coming? Okay? Okay, let's do it. First, please, guys, let's go over there. I know where it's going. And then we run back. No, because we don't think it's like good. It's like actually. Yeah, I know. Okay, this is a risk of the shoes again. Did you survive? Did you guys? Are you guys okay? But we have to run. Where's my stick! Oh, I think I'm cooked here, guys. Go back.
I'm going.
By the way, the deeper the stick goes, the more muddy it is. Well, it's not muddy here.
And guys, I'm not a baby. It's just my shoes aren't mean a lot to me.
Oh my god.
Look at them.
Yo. Look, bro, look at my shoes. Yes. No. Because now we're going to be cleaning this up.
Look at my shoes.
Our shoes are cleaning my shoes
later.
bro. I had to clean some off.
Give me statue still.
Yeah, I know. If it's
Stack up.
still.
Oh
Why
god.
don't you do your thing?
These shoes mean a lot to me too.
I need to go.
Look how cool this is, and this very cool stick too.
Guys, we're going now.
Okay guys, let's go. Since our shoes are disgustingly dirty, definitely. We're not going to be continuing our expedition. I mean, we're going to stop our expedition for now. It's the next day and we're exploring the construction zone. I have a big pointy stick.
He does have a big pointy stick though.
So do I, bro. Can't you see? That one? Look at these.
Hey, yo!
You can see there's a huge water flow. Look at this. A big water flow. Big river.
All the way, like, come from there to like explore and find out where it's coming from.
Bro, you mean a waterfall?
Here is the water station.
Stop your shoes. By the way, every mud you're stepping on is actually poop. But yeah. So that, bro. Who believes this?
It is. See this?
Avery, bro. Too wet, so we gotta move up more. We should move up up to that entire like wall there, cause we're gonna start there. Now there's already a few houses over there. Over there, they're gonna build a school. Did you know that? Grab a flag. Everyone, grab a flag. There's more everywhere. I have a big, sharp, long stick. So I found something already. I'm gonna poke you. How about? I found out where the water source is coming from, and it's actually crazy. There's a whole like a river. I found this ring. You know where this is from? Like that rabbit chocolate covered in like gold wrapping, and it has like the bell around it. If you know, you know. Show that image.
Go, buddy.
Ooh, I should equip that. I should use that as a charm on my cool stuff.
Guys,
Yeah. I found this rock and look at the patterns of it. It's crazy.
Woo.
Looks like it came from Jupiter.
let me try.
Yeah, so cool. Wow.
Rebar!
I found a rebar. Get out the way.
Don't you dare kill me.
Oh, the water source is coming from here. Let's lead all the way over there.
Wait, there's cotton candy in the water!
A safety tip. Do not touch the scary cotton candy.
Yeah, don't because
They will make you swell and stuff.
I'm just
Go on
going
the road. Follow me.
I'm lifting my shoes on the road. I like this.
Oh, look, there's a whole river system. There's a whole like water system that's flowing. You see that? Let's check it out.
See, there's like waves going there.
But there's nowhere else to go to.
I found dry concrete that I can skip on the water.
I also found that this. What do you call this? Guys, this is like a little ocean. Wow, amazing.
Wow.
You guys see that?
Yeah.
See that beautiful? Let's go to the end of it and check it out. Look at Avery. I remember when you were so young, when they were so young, they stepped in mud and they called it quicksand. Quicksand.
Quicksand, yeah, quicksand.
Yeah, quicksand.
Little hidden treasure.
Wow. But let's go to those rocks and see what's going on.
Hi guys.
Wait, what? Oh! I wanted to do this to you, bro.
Guys,
Guys, I want to be a statue one day. Cool.
yeah.
Guys, that looks like a mini canyon or something. Just look at it. Without just cut Avery out of this. And look at that canyon that looks like totally real.
I found a beehive.
Guys, there's a I found a beer cap bottle. Stella Artois. I don't know how to Artois.
Bro, I'm not doing anything.
He just did something, gang.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, should we cross the mud? Never. That's definitely. I really need to use the bathroom, bro.
I think it's all the construction workers.
Hey, Sean!
Oh, Sean, look, watch this, guys. Look at it. Look how much vibrations there is. I wonder why it's so dramatic. Seems like all the construction workers are leaving now.
Yeah, they are. Seems like somebody
I
jumped,
think
bro.
it's their work is off now. Also, guys, I've been noticing when I'm speaking, even reading, like I sound weird. I like
Wait, if you kick it.
Do this one.
Kick it. Guys, let me kick it. Kick it.
This thing could literally collapse on us.
And guys, remember to like and subscribe. And please, guys, the 300 subscribers for the 300 subscribers special.
See you in the next video.
We're already. It's finished.
This is David Bolt.
Peace
Out.